Hello, this is Adrian from Bridgend Leisure Vehicles. Just like to show you this walk around video of this lovely Volkswagen camper van that we have in stock at the moment. It's the Volkswagen Transporter T28. It's got the 2-litre TDI engine, 102 brake horsepower, and it's the Euro 6 engine. It was first registered in November 2016. It's done 17,000 miles and has a service history. It will come with an engine service, a habitation service, a 12-month MOT and a 3-month warranty. It has the tow bar and the reverse parking sensors. Let's have a look on the inside. The conversion has been done by a company called Big Wave Campers. It's a nice quality of conversion, which comprises of rock and roll bed with 2 travelling seats. It's got a fridge with a small freezer compartment inside, sink with running water, and a 2 gas burner hob. Plenty of storage space throughout the van. Every little nook and cranny has been used up. It has lighting, which is 12 volt, and it's got 230 plug sockets to give you mains electric when you're on site. The Sargent power supply unit provides the 12 volt and the 230 volt power. Moving towards the front of the van, it's fitted with air conditioning, cruise control. It's the 5-speed gearbox. It has electric windows, electric mirrors, and central locking. As far as the bed area is concerned, the rock and roll bed will sleep 2 persons, obviously. And if we pull down the gas strut bedboard, that will sleep a further 2 small adults or 2 children. We move back outside a second. The van is fitted with a nice set of alloy wheels, which give it that nice finish, and it has fog lamps on the front. If we go back around towards the rear of the vehicle, this is the stable door model. So the back doors, when opened, provide storage for the table, which fits on a rail in the kitchen area. We have storage underneath the bed, which goes right around to the front of the bed. And then there's further storage. So if you'd like any further information on this vehicle, we can be contacted by email on sales@bridgendleisureVehicles.co.uk or by telephone 07717 061 777. Thank you for taking time to look at the video, and hope to see you shortly.